All right, today I have a Mercedes-Benz GLE AMG, and I'm going to show you the area where refrigerant is added in this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm standing in front of the vehicle with the hood up, and I'm going to walk in, and I'm going to look down right here. Do you see this right here? This right here, these pipes right here, this is where refrigerant is added. One of them is high pressure, one of them is low pressure. I'm not exactly sure, so you want to read your owner's manual and make sure you get a certified mechanic to do this for you. But it's one of these right here, I'm not exactly sure. One of them is the high pressure, one is the low pressure. I believe you're supposed to add it to the low pressure. Make sure you read your owner's manual so you know which one it is, and also get a certified mechanic to show you or exactly getting them to do it for you. All right, so that's where refrigerant is added in this particular vehicle. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.